It's my work bag. It's a 511 MOAB 6. This is the second one of these packs that I've had. The first one, 511, if you end up watching this, figure out a different method for this pouch right here. And the way this is, the way I just throw my pack onto my shoulder, this is just not beneficial. This should just be a single strap with a little bit of padding, and maybe move this pouch. Don't get me wrong, I love this pouch. I just wish it was located differently. But anyway, that's beside the point. So this is the little bag that I settled on, that I just keep, you know, my day-to-day stuff in, my EDC. I like how small it is, and the fact that I can just rest this on my armrest in my truck. I can throw it in the back seat. I can set it at, you know, on the edge of my desk at work, whatever. So in this little pouch back here, I just keep a little boo-boo kit and a hero clip. Hero clips are great to be able to hang your bag up if you're somewhere, you know, and you're in a public restroom or whatever. I keep another little spare carabiner on the side. You never know whenever you just need to hook something together or hang something from your pack as you're out walking around. This also works really well for carrying multiple bags of groceries at one time. And then I also keep a Zippo. I quit smoking years ago, but having a lighter on you is, everyone should have a lighter with them. I swapped it out for the Thunderbird butane insert. The other side, yep, this day and age, you gotta have hand sanitizer. On the front, I have a micro stream just fed through the Molly, and then I also have an Olight P-Run adapter through this on the front here. If I need to work on something, it's dark, simply put that in there. And now I have a little stand light. This front pocket, since we're already in here, if I can get my little flashlight to clip back on where I keep it, that'll work. Other phone, I use this phone for work. Vape bag, keep extra vape stuff in here. My beard comb. This little slip I made. Lens cloth. Little boo-boo kit, nothing major, just a few things, and then my gift card for Amazon. I've already used the gift card, but I'm going to wrap Gorilla Tape around that. I don't have anything else in that pouch. Fisher Space Pen. Bottle opener. This bottle opener actually has sentimental value. It goes with me everywhere. This is a little packet of instant coffee. I'm a coffee drinker, and sometimes whenever you're someplace they don't have any coffee. Little pocket knife. My wife got me a set for Christmas. This little one is great. I love the blade shape. Just keep it in here. It's not going to cooperate right now. Key to my garage. Swiss Army knife. And when you have women in your family that, you know, you're married, you have, you know, other women in your family, hey, you keep one with you. Never know when you're going to be out and about and they're going to need one and they're not going to have one. Ain't no shame in my game. The main pack, my sunglasses. This is a face shield from SA Fishing, but this is their Shield X. It actually has the face mask material made into it, and it is washable. Have to have one of those with you at all times. Pair of wool blend socks. It's actually starting to warm up here, but during the winter, you need an extra pair of socks. Feet get wet and cold. It's my electronics bag. I have multiple cords, adapters, and my Anchor battery bank in there. Depending on what forum you're on, this is either a ditty bag or a possibles pouch, whatever. This just has, you know, day-to-day stuff in it. It's got the headlamp adapter strap for my P-Run. Some medications. I just put some, you know, Tylenol and ibuprofen in an old Tylenol container and then labeled it. Some stomach medicine, you know, Pepto and stuff. A little bag that has like lotion and nail clippers, stuff like that in there. Hearing protection. Carmex, chapstick, you know, day-to-day items that you may need, or, you know, someone may need. Deodorant. I switched over to Native. It takes your body a little while to kind of get used to not having all those ingredients, I feel, but this works really well. I like it. It smells good. It's a little recycled firefighter pouch that I just made a little toolkit out of. It's got some zip ties, some Gorilla Tape, a little fixed blade knife, a screwdriver, just kind of a little fix-it pouch. I believe that is it. I don't carry a lot in this bag. I have a work bag that carries a lot of my other stuff, change of clothes, that kind of thing. But this is the bag that goes with me every day, everywhere. So, you know, work, the grocery store, it doesn't matter. It's going with me. And of course, you know, with spring and summer coming, some of this stuff will change out for other stuff. As far as like, I won't keep the wool socks. I'll go with just a regular pair of socks. But right now it's still pretty chilly in the morning. Feet can still get wet. You know, you don't want that. It can make your day go very bad, very fast. Yep, nice and simple. Easy to carry, easy to place. This will fit underneath, you know, underneath the desk, underneath the chair, on the back of the chair, whatever. It's not big. Does the trick. Thanks for watching.